string functions and methods. So we will see how does different functions and methods work upon string. So the very first function is string.capitalize. What it does, it returns the first character of the string in capital form. Like if you see st1 as computer with C capital, st2 comp with C capital, st3 comp, and st4 all capital computer. So if I write st1 dot capitalize, st3 and st4, you'll see the answer. The first one is returned as the computer because its first letter is capitalized. In st3, C was small, it is converted to the capital, and in st4 everything was in caps, but now the output is only the first letter capitalized. So capitalize returns the copy of a string with the first letter giving its capital form. The second one is the find function. Find function has three parameters: sub, start and end. What it does is, sub stands for the substring, start is the starting index, and end is the ending index. It will find the substring in the given string in the range from starting to ending index. So if you have a string wonderful, we need to find dir in the substring to 7. It will give you the 2,7 slicing, so 2,6 slice, okay, and out in the slice it will find the substring dir, so it is present and you will get the output 3. But if we want to find the sub slice dir in the slice to 5, so that means 2 to 4, so dir is not present, so you get the answer -1. So if it is not present, you will get -1. If it is present, then you will get the index position from where the substring is starting. Then we talk about allnum. Allnum returns true if the character in the string is alphanumeric. So let's check. We have n1, n2, n3 with different variables. So we'll just take n1 is allnum. We get the answer true. n2 is allnum. The answer is true. But if I write n3 is allnum, the answer will be error. Why? Because allnum can only act on string type, not on integer type, right? If I write n4 is allnum, you'll get false because n4 has a blank space in between the single quotes. So it doesn't have alphabet nor number. n5 allnum, n5 also doesn't have anything, that's why it's false. Now let's check n6 allnum. It's false because in n6 also we have a special character. Clear? Then let's talk about isalpha. Isalpha will return the value if it is written what? The value true if it is alphabet. So if I check for n1 is alpha, you'll get the answer true. If I write n2 is alpha, you'll get the answer false. Why? Because all the characters are not alphabet in it, right? Which is why. So if I write n3 is alpha, you'll get false. n4 is alpha, also you'll get false. n5 and n6 also you get false. Now let's talk about isdigit function. It will return true if the character is a digit. Okay, so n1 is digit, false. If I write 2, will it be true or false? False. Why? Because it doesn't have only digit. It is combination of alphabets and digit. But n3 will have result true because it is comprised of all digits. In the same way, n4 and n5 will have false because it's not digits. Islower function will return true if the characters are in lowercase, right? So if I talk about st1 is lower, it will give you false because all the characters are not lower. Now when we talk about st2, again you'll get false. But when we are writing st3, all the capital are small, you will get true. In case of upper, st4 will give you true, but st3, 1 or 2, let it be 1, will all give you false because only st4 has all the letter in capital. Now this string dot lower will give, or you say it will return you the string in the converted case. So if it is lower, then it will convert everything to lower, and if it's upper, it will do to upper. Like for example, we have different st1, st2, st3. Now if I write lower and output, every alphabet is converted to lower. If I write st4, things here, right? If I get st1 upper, it is converted to uppercase. String dot is space returns true only if there are any white space characters in the string, right? Now like if I say n1 equals to ab space de, so if I check is space here, you'll get answer false. But if I do it for n2, it will give you true. So it has only have to have a space, then only it will give you true, otherwise it will give you false. Okay. String L strip and R strip returns the copy of the string with leading and preceding characters removed. So if we write nothing, like for example, and if I write st1 dot L strip, I will get the answer computer. Wait, I'll run this. And you will get the answer computer, computer. But if I give R here and run, nothing, right? But if I change this to st4 and I write L strip C, so it will strip that character. It has to be at the starting, right? L strip, so C is the first, so you'll get computer science. If you want to strip this E, you can just write E here and then change L strip to R strip from the right hand side. So you'll get the answer this. So what it does, it just removes your character, given character or spaces. So that's all with the video. I just want to discuss some questions. So if you have able to understood how string works, you'll be able to do all these questions. And if you are able to do these questions, that means you have mastered over the topic Python strings. Thanks for watching.